Sorry, it was a little cold. Okay, so if money talk stresses you out, don't worry. Today we're simplifying it using piggy banks and pies. Hi, I'm Nia. Welcome back to Coinversations, where we turn, wait, what? Into? Oh, okay. Today's Coinversation, retirement accounts. What are they? Why do they matter? And how do they help you keep more of your money instead of handing large chunks over to taxes? I know, spicy subject. Quick reminder, I am not a financial advisor, just a college kid who refuses to gatekeep what has worked for me. As always, do your own research and talk to a licensed professional before making any big money moves. My main job here is to make understanding money a little less scary. So let's get into it. First off, why do retirement accounts even exist? Imagine you earned pies for a living. It's payday and you earned a pie. Congratulations! And then a friend asks you for a piece of that pie. That friend is the government. And that piece of that pie, that's taxes. Taxes are how we chip in so that the world has roads, schools, firefighters, and all the stuff that we all use. It's important, so paying taxes is good. But when it comes to investing, something frustrating can happen. Here's an example. Let's say you buy a stock. You work hard to earn a full pie. But as we learned, the government takes a piece of that pie as tax. Cool, I'm happy to help. You watch your pies turn into more pies, and when it's time to sell it, you solidify your gains. But guess what? You're taxed again on those gains. So, you pay tax when you get money, and again when you gain the money you grew. So how do we get around this hurdle? Retirement accounts. They were created to help us stop paying taxes 2 times so that we can better save up for the future. The 3 most common piggy banks, or retirement accounts, you'll hear about are 401ks, traditional IRAs, and Roth IRAs. Let me explain each one and who should use which. Think of a 401k like your job giving you a special piggy bank. Only employees get them. This piggy bank, I know it's not a pig, you gotta bear with me for a second, lets you hide your money from taxes now. Your job puts money inside from your paycheck before you, or the government, ever sees it. So you only pay taxes on your money once, and that's when you take out your money in retirement. So, you'll get to keep the whole pie today and share a piece with the government much, much later. The amazing part, some jobs even give you free money when you contribute. Say you put in 50, they add 50. That is called matching. And yes, it's literally free money. Do not skip. Easy rule for now, always contribute at least enough to get the full match. Not taking it is like saying, nah, I don't want free pies. Who should use it? If you are employed and your job offers one, opt in, especially if 1, your employer matches, again, that's free money, or 2, if you think you'll be in a lower tax bracket later. Simply put, the less money you make, the less the tax obligation you have as a percentage of your income. If you believe you'll make less in the future or your tax obligation will go down, consider a 401k. Now let's talk about the other piggy banks. What are IRAs? IRAs are individual retirement accounts, or as I like to think of them, the do-it-yourself piggy banks, meaning you don't need to be employed to open one. Like the 401k, you are only taxed once on your money in these piggy banks. The only difference between a Roth IRA and a traditional IRA is simply when you are taxed. Like the 401k, the traditional IRA lets you hide your money from taxes now and pay taxes later. So if you'll earn less money in the future, this IRA account is the one for you. The Roth IRA is the spicy one. You pay taxes now and then never again on that money. This means tax-free growth, tax-free withdrawals. You've already dealt with taxes, so they'll leave you alone forever. If you think you'll earn more money in the future, this account is for you. Personally, I utilize the Roth IRA because I will more than likely get a higher paying job in the future, meaning I will raise my tax obligations. So I prefer to pay taxes now when I have to give up less of my money. So who should have an IRA account? I say everyone. Anyone can have one. Even if you're employed and have a 401k already, you can have both accounts. If you have a 401k and you've matched up to the percentage your company allows and have extra money to invest, IRAs are the perfect account to continue investing. If you are unemployed or your employer does not offer a 401k, perfect. IRAs allow you to start investing for the future without needing to be employed. So basically, retirement accounts are piggy banks that have superpowers. They grow your money and protect you from excessive taxes. And choosing between them is really like choosing between, do I want to pay taxes now or do I want to pay taxes later? If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and comment one thing you've learned so we can keep the conversation going. And remember, saving for retirement may feel really far away for some of us, but the earlier you start, the more your money hogs all the growth. You get it? Because pigs. I'll see my way out.